welcome to Purchase Reviews. Today I'll show you how you can minimize the toxic chemicals your body absorbs through foods and everyday products using the Yuka app. I hadn't given much thought to the chemicals in body wash, shampoos, deodorants and foods until US Secretary of Health and Human Services RFK Jr. brought it up in this video he posted online.
And it's no coincidence that Americans die earlier than Canadians or Germans or Italians or Japanese or Koreans or Australians.
What did you say?
Americans die earlier.
How disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
I discovered a user-friendly app called Yuka. All you need to do is scan the barcode of a product and it will tell you what chemicals are in it along with their potential health effects.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
The app not only gives each product a score from 1 to 100, but it also provides detailed information on harmful ingredients. And if a product is rated poorly, it even recommends healthier alternatives. After using Yuka, I replaced all my poorly rated products with healthier options, including moisturizers, deodorants, sunscreen, body wash, cleansers, shampoos, and conditioners. I also decided to raid my pantry and scanned all the foods I could find. Some foods I already knew were unhealthy turned out to be much worse than I thought, while others marked as healthy weren't healthy at all.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
I ended up replacing all the unhealthy foods with their healthy match alternatives. What I like about the Yuka app is that it keeps track of your scanning history, it provides a list of product recommendations, it offers an overview of food and beauty product ratings, and it includes a search bar to look up any product. This app has genuinely helped me make healthier choices for myself and my family, and I hope you'll give it a try too. Just a warning though, scanning items is very addictive, and in no time you'll be scanning everything in sight. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing for future reviews and how-to videos. Until next time, thanks for visiting Purchase Reviews and happy scanning with Yuka.